Welcome to Dresden Airport. The IATA code here is DRS. It's one of two airports in Saxony, the other one being in Leipzig. Dresden's airport is one of the oldest in the country. The first one was established in 1913. This location is the third location and it was established in 1935. In 1955, Dresden was designated the center of the East German aircraft industry. 3 years later, this building was erected as a production site for the first German jetliner, the 152. Nevertheless, it never made it into full production and the project was abandoned. After 1919, this was turned into the new airport terminal. If you look up there, you can still see the old crane system from the production times. When you later leave Dresden, there's no need to be here at this airport more than 1 hour before the plane departs. It's a small and very convenient airport. If you look over there, you see the check-in counters. And then you just have to walk over there to the security check. And in no time, you'll be in your aircraft. Nice view from here, but it's time to go down to the arrival hall. Welcome to Saxony, everybody.